Small 4-in-1 air cooling handheld 1500 watts fiber laser welding, cleaning, weld beads cleaning cutting machine. Designed for portability and durability, its air-cooled system ensures continuous operation, no water, perfect for workshops, factories, or on-site jobs. Multifunction 4-in-1 welding, precision joint or metals. It can weld stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum, galvanized sheet. Weld beads cleaning, post-weld smoothing of beads for finished look. Cutting cuts through metals with high accuracy, cuts within 2 mm steel. Cleaning removes rust, paint, oxides, and contaminants from surface.